Working with audio production and have ARP project files from Adobe Audition. These contain complete audio editing projects. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open these Adobe Audition project files. As a quick preventative measure, I always recommend having a dedicated universal file viewer ready. This kind of tool can often bypass basic ARP corruption. We will discuss my top recommendation again later in the tutorial. An ARP file is a project file created by Adobe Audition, a professional digital audio workstation. It does not contain audio data itself, but rather stores metadata, edits, effects, and references to the audio clips used in a multitrack session. Users create ARP files to save their work-in-progress audio mixes. The ARP format is the proprietary binary file designed for rapid loading and saving of complex project states. It contains pointers to external media files, along with a structured list of edits, applied effects with their parameters, and timeline information. This non-destructive approach preserves original audio quality. The official utility recommended for the ARP file is Adobe Audition by Adobe Systems Incorporated. Windows cannot fully interpret the file's proprietary XML structure for editing purposes. Windows supports minimal insight into data files, so proper viewing depends on the target application. The easiest way to rule out a simple failure is testing. Right-click your ARP file and choose Open With. Use Adobe Audition first. If it's not there, try another application. A quick test is very revealing. If the ARP file is still giving you trouble, relax. The easy part is over. Now for the detailed inspection. Let's run through these 3 necessary troubleshooting checks right now. First, opening in Adobe Audition. Launch Adobe Audition and use File then Open to load the ARP file. Audition opens the project with all tracks, clips, and effects intact, ready for continued editing or export. Modern Audition versions can typically open older ARP files, automatically converting to current SESEX format for ongoing project work. Next, converting to current format. Open ARP files in Audition and save in the current SEX session format using File then Save As. This ensures continued compatibility with modern Audition versions and access to current features. The conversion preserves all session content while providing access to features added in newer Audition releases. Finally, importing audio. If Audition isn't available, extract individual audio files referenced by the ARP project. The ARP file contains references to audio files which exist as separate WAV or other audio files. Locate and use these audio files in alternative DAWs like Reaper or Pro Tools, though arrangement and effects must be recreated. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.